Hi, my name is Chad with BNC Outdoors, and today I'm going to show you how to properly clean your shotgun. Alright, first I'm going to go over what you need. Just any kind of rim oil. You got just some lube oil to kind of keep your parts moving and not rust. You can get any kind of universal gun cleaning kit that's got this brass rod, and today we're going to clean a 12 gauge, so we're going to use the 12 gauge bristle. I've also got an attachment that goes on this rod. You put these pads in to clean it after you scrub it with that bristle, and then got your little microfiber cloth here. Alright, first things first, you want to take your choke out. Once you get that done, we'll disassemble the barrel. Take the barrel off your gun. Unscrew this. After you get it unscrewed, your barrel will just pop right off. Alright, you want to give it a shot. Alright, here's a shot of the barrel before we clean it. It's kind of the stuff you're dealing with after you shoot. You got all this grime and filth in there, gunpowder residue. So that's what we're going to be cleaning. Alright, first things first, we're going to spray this end down with some rim oil. And go up from the bottom up to your threads inside your barrel where your choke sits. Push it up to your threads and push it out. Once you get back out, you bring it in and you just twist it. You want to twist and get them threads nice and clean. Get all that stuff out of there. Pull it back through, loosen all this dirt and grime and whatnot up, and you repeat the process. You got your tip on. I'm going to put a pad in here. Just fold it a couple times and get it nice and the way it will fit through this hole. Pull it through. The first one, that's what it's supposed to look like inside there. On the first one that you do, you want to spray a little rim oil on it, get it a little damp, and you're going to go same way, up through the bottom, out through the top. Just push it in, kind of twist it a little bit. Come back through. That is what you're dealing with. Take that one out, put another one in. You're going to keep this one dry. Same way, fold it twice and stick it in. And this is just getting all your extra rim oil that's sitting in there, all the excess that's sitting over from the wet rim oil in there. You're going to get a little bit more, and then your barrel will be clean on the inside. So you can see we still have quite a bit left in there. Alright, once you've done that, ran it through wet and dry, be able to look in your barrel and you should have a nice, shiny, clean barrel. And the next thing you're going to do is get your rim oil. Spray the inside where you can see where all, right here, right in here, where all your little levers are moving when you load your shells and stuff, and that gunpowder gets in there. So you want to give it a couple sprays, get nice and wet, up and underneath. Then you get your cloth, you go inside and you just wipe all around, try to get some. I mean, that's some of the stuff that's in there. It's just caked in there, and this is just after one shoot, so you need to do this every time you shoot your shotgun. Clean that out real good. And looks pretty clean. Alright. Now this is always optional, but I like to always clean the outside of my gun with rim oil, the barrel and everything, so just give it a couple quick shots everywhere, both sides, and you want to just wipe it down real clean. Just get it clean, like to take care of them. I'm going to be with you for a long time. Alright, now do the barrel. I'm gonna lube up these moving parts. Let's get your oil, and right in here where the arms are moving, whenever you slide, I'm gonna oil that up. Get it on there. Works like a charm. And then next, you want to lube up your threads where your choke goes. And then put your choke back in. And you always tighten your choke down with your choke wrench. And after you do that, you want to put your barrel back on. Slide it back in, screw that screw back in, and you got a clean shotgun, ready to hunt.